Hello and welcome to a short demo of Asserts, Operational Intelligence for Open Source Observability Tools. The Top Insights dashboard is your personal landing page where you can choose which infrastructure and services you want to keep an eye on. Just type in the name of an application component. No need to learn a complex query language. The top of the dashboard shows the state of service level objectives and any notifications that are fired in the selective time range. Let's take a look at the notification for the shipping service. This notification is against a service level objective. Any alert rule can also be configured to generate a notification. I can view the details of the SLO here. The summary shows that the SLO is just within its limits, but there have been a number of rapid burndown events. This is not good. Asserts will trigger an incident notification if the service level breaches or if there is a rapid burndown which would soon lead to a breach. To investigate one of these, just follow the link. Asserts uses the power of the entity graph to find all connected application components that have issues within the same time range and automatically brings them together on this dashboard. All the information you need is right here. No more opening up 20 browser tabs in an attempt to manually correlate across distributed applications. No need to call in members from other teams to help you figure out how it's all connected. The Timeline tab shows how the incident rippled out over time across multiple services. Switching to the Summary tab provides more detail. The pop-up shows the topology at the time of the incident. That's the correlation done for you. It all started with a change when a new version of the shipping service was deployed. Fortunately, it was automatically rolled back. This is a post-mortem investigation. The SLO incident was for latency, and expanding the latency anomaly shows the actual latency versus the baseline. All key metrics have multiple period baselines automatically calculated, saving you from continually tweaking alert thresholds. The shipping service also has an issue with high JVM garbage collection. To see the metrics in detail, just click the KPI link. Asserts includes a curated library of dashboards based on industry best practices and the SRE handbook. A Grafana instance is embedded inside Asserts. You can import your favorite dashboards, tag them, and they will appear in the list. All the dashboards you need are right here, just a click away. No more searching to find the right one or crafting ad hoc queries in some obtuse language. Switching to the JVM detail dashboard reveals that there is a very high garbage collection activity. If the JVM is busy with garbage collection, it cannot serve requests promptly, hence the high latency. The topology pop-up tells me that the shipping service is dependent on the MySQL database, and I can see there are some issues there too. There is an abnormal spike in network traffic that coincides with a similar spike for the shipping service. Back at the shipping service, there is also an issue for an abnormal number of log messages at error level. I can jump directly to the logging tool, in this case Loki, but other integrations are supported. Loki is opened with the matching time range set and the search query filled out. That's another query language I don't have to learn. There's plenty of slow query error logs for the shipping service. If there was not anything useful in the logs, I can also jump directly into tracing. This time it's Jaeger, but other tool integrations are supported. Opening one of the slow traces shows that the query ran quickly, but it took a lot of time to retrieve the results. Change is good, but CI/CD can introduce performance regressions. Looks like that last change introduced some SQL that was not too good. Asserts adds a layer of automation and intelligence on top of Prometheus metrics and OpenTelemetry traces. It automatically builds an entity graph of application component relationships over time by intelligently analyzing metric and trace labels. For all key metrics, multiple period baselines are automatically created to intelligently detect anomalies. The included curated library of dashboards and alert rules enables engineers to be productive from day one. Making service level objectives the heart of operations eliminates alert noise, only notifying you when it really matters. To find out more, go to asserts.ai, where you will find this demo environment for you to explore. You can install Asserts for free forever in your own environment. Alternatively, we can host it for you for a modest fee. Check out our pricing page.